everyone, and welcome to my family's barbecue rib cook-off. Each one of my family members will be responsible for barbecuing their own ribs. They'll be given 5 points for seasoning their ribs, another 5 points for putting sauce on their ribs, and the last 5 points will be given by me. So let's get into this cook-off.
It went simple, you know. I didn't want to put too much into it. Same my first time cooking ribs or whatnot, you know. Just try to keep it simple, not try to overdo it, you know.
Okay, this motherfucker act like he just gave us our meat. You know, goddamn well you didn't give us no meat. You put it in the refrigerator.
Right here.
You cut it.
Oh, you guys want me to cut it? I thought y'all wanted to cut it.
What the hell? You said you was gonna cut it in half.
Yeah,
I never said that.
I think this is a little bit sabotage.
I think so too.
We dock 1 point. 1 point from his overall score.
Bruh.
That was not fair.
I said I was.
1 point dock.
Okay, I'm gonna cut it. Let me put this over here. I got y'all covered. Boom.
Thank you. We appreciate it.
Huh?
Are you seasoning first, Jamie?
I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of hard to see with this on right here. Huh? We can season at the same time. I don't get why we gotta segregate ourselves.
Because I don't want you in my way and I don't want to be in your way.
Just you get your area and I get my area.
Okay. All right then.
Just take your pan. I have the hand sanitizer, so you can't use it.
What area are you in?
I'm in this area.
What area?
This.
You in that area?
Yes.
Hey, okay.
All the water's for you, huh?
Oh yes, perfect.
What water?
There's
a measuring
Oh, that was because you was in the way. I wanted to empty it out.
All right. So this is a demonstration. This nice little outfit I have here. I got a towel to wipe my hands. But I realize it's pointless because I have an apron to wipe my hands on. But we're still trying to figure that out. I got napkins for kind of the same purpose. So I don't know. I just kind of need space to fill my pockets. But I can also wipe my head with it when I'm sweating. And then, last but not least, I got the hand sanitizer because I want clean, nice ribs. I don't want dirty ribs like they're gonna have. They say you need to rinse down your meat, but you really don't.
Why is that going? Oh my god.
It's a myth. Alright,
Does anybody else need paprika?
Something slimy. No, it's gonna be a little harder than that.
Does anybody else need paprika?
That is cold.
I'm done cooking. I'm seasoned.
Jamie, you need paprika?
I don't know what paprika is. I know what paprika
You
is.
asked if we have paprika.
I did not ask for that.
Yes, you did.
I did not.
Yes, you did. Yes,
I
you
didn't.
Yes, you did.
You're hearing things.
You did.
Hey, I'm thinking you could just wipe onto the apron. That's the whole purpose of an apron.
It's called sanitary practices.
I want everybody to know that I saved you some paprika if you need paprika.
See, what you want to do is you put the olive oil very nicely and lightly. I should do my well. What you want to do is put the olive oil nicely coated on here so it sticks the base layer of the pepper and the garlic and the salt. Very pepper happy. This is gonna be the best thing you've ever tasted, Jazz. Believe that. don't really know how much I'm supposed to be putting on here, but you know, I'll try to keep it a little mild. You know, the rub didn't really turn out as good as I thought it was going to be. I think Dad sabotaged me. He gave me a rub that nobody here has tasted. The tequila lime rub was a little bit tangy, so not quite sure what I'm going to get from it. But yeah, I'm still confident. I think Mom overdid her rub. She did a little too much.
My goal is to have the savory with the sweet ribs, and then to set it off with the barbecue sauce. The sauce is gonna be the bomb. So I put smoked paprika. That's how you say it, right?
Paprika.
Paprika.
Yes.
Smoked paprika, chipotle chili powder, not just regular chili powder, chipotle chili powder, dry mustard, brown sugar, cayenne pepper. I didn't come to play!
I came to play. And I'm having fun.
Is it game time, you guys?
It's game time!
I'm just happy to be here. Air aroma, the air and the oxygen helps stokes the rub in to the meat. Right, Mom?
You about to have some Ebola. That look like the actual TV show.
No.
You can't even make shit like this.
This is what the actual TV
Let's
show.
smell it.
It's better. Mine's is better than the
He almost dropped it.
Boy, we need some smell vision.
Oh,
TV. Look at this.
good.
Now, which one do you guys rather have? This one, obviously. Very tequila lime-ish.
Give me some.
It's a little bit more impressive than you thought it was going to be, huh?
Okay.
Don't lie to yourself. You know, it looks a lot better than I thought.
The other way. I know I'm gonna kick the other side.
Keep going and going. It's about to go to 300.
Well, where you gonna go? Where's
I have no idea. Kind of got rubbed.
I will move it, but it's a little too late now. I need you to. Oh wow. Be careful, you got soft hands allegedly. You got video footage. Who cleaned their hands before they touched the meat? Deduct 1 point for hygiene.
Bruh.
Have you now? I wash my hands inside the house, bruh.
So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna grill mine for a short time. Get that smoke flavor on it. Then I'm gonna roll it up, fold it up, and I'm gonna cook it at indirect heat and let it get real nice and tender.
Hey, they're a little late on the flip of those ribs, huh? Let me take a look at that. Still look good.
Let me take some.
It's never too late. It looks like ribs. Still looks good to me. I think you prematurely did yours. Just like you're prematurely saucing it.
See what everybody don't understand is
Botulism. I tell you, botulism. Jazz, get in the camera. Botulism. Botulism. bunch of botulism over here.
Zoom in. You still see all the seasoning just caked up
What
on
did he
there.
say? What did he say? Yeah, what did he say? Yeah, what did he say? Use the help chat. What did he say? What did he say?
Hey, that was good. Like I said, your ribs taste.
They do taste good.
Sure, there's a lot of seasoning still lingering around up there, though.
It's all good. When I put the sauce on,
Sauce.
this seasoning is kind of going to dissolve into the sauce, you know. That's how it works. That was actually pretty good.
Bruh. That tequila. You got that. See, you got that secret weapon going on over there, bro. I already know.
It don't even taste like tequila anymore. I don't know what it tastes like.
Yeah, it's gonna be good. I told you, y'all got some good profiles. Tell Jazmine that you guys are fierce.
That's pretty good. Right here, come on. Get a finger salute. Here, I'm gonna
So
get a
we
finger
just gonna
soup.
say all the points that was deducted out
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, that was pretty bad.
for hygiene, just all went out the door. We lost all hygiene points right there.
What they don't understand is, I just came out of a pool that was chlorinated. It killed all the germs off my fingers, so.
But you literally used the same finger 3 times. It'd be one thing if
No.
you dipped it in your
I used
bourbon.
one 2 times, and then the other one 1 time. And the one that I used 2 times is in the same hand as my bourbon, so the alcohol killed the germs. The thing is, what you don't know about grilling, Jazz, is when you put the meat on the grill at such high temperatures, it burns all the germs away anyway, so it don't even matter. I could lick the ribs, and it'll still be good to taste, and it'll be good and healthy for you or whatever. Flip the other side so I can see what the other side looks like real quick.
Yeah.
Play the video. Good news. I gotta listen to it.
One asks, "Hey Kevin, why haven't you bottled this stuff? It's the best we've ever tried. Get ready to fill your kitchen with a tantalizing aroma of barbecue sauce. Over medium heat, place a saucepan or skillet and add half a medium onion that you've minced.
Half a medium onion. We're gonna put it in. Are you kidding me? This is so dirty. They're really doing me so dirty right now. All I asked for is just a simple barbecue recipe video. Mom, I want a bigger thing. They have a bigger thing on the video. I want a bigger skillet. This is the good stuff right here. That's what I'm talking about. This is where the good stuff. This is the secret ingredient. This one gonna kill everybody at right here. Might just have to take a sip from this. I like a little more than 3/4, you know. Just Fun fact, apple cider vinegar and cider vinegar are the same thing. Learned that today. This thing is confusing. The measurements might not be. You might say teaspoons or tablespoons. I might put the wrong thing in. But it's all good. It's all the same ingredients, so it's all gonna work out. That's what the cinnamon got me happy. Yeah.
Tug away from it.
No, this one was really easy to bite into. The flavor is kind of vinegary, like savory.
Savory. Well, I mean, one sounded good, the other didn't sound good.
This one's a little bit less messy.
It looks very well glazed, actually, too.
Mm-hmm.
Look at the smoke ring on that one. Look at this. You see that? That's a beautiful smoke ring.
So this one, I like how crispy it is, but it's kind of spicy.
Got a little tang to it.
Yeah, it got a little bit of tang to it.
Ah, shit.
It tastes pretty good.
It's like, why you just didn't say second, third? Second and loser.
That was hard. That definitely took your teeth off. That was like, that was
Hey, you know, that was just that.
Flavor, it tastes very good. I can taste the garlic in it. Flavor wise, I feel like this one is pretty mild savory. Like I really like the flavor of that one a lot. This one right here, the flavor tastes very good, but it's pretty tangy. Like I didn't expect a kick out of it, but I do like the little bits of garlic in it. This one right here, it's a very savory, vinegary, and it tastes pretty good. It's just some parts it's a little bit too much seasoning.
a little over seasoned. Okay.
Yeah, a little bit
we get you.
So, I just want to say that all three of you guys did very good. I don't want anyone to get offended.
Nobody getting offended.
I'm getting offended. I'm just kidding.
I don't want anyone to get offended. Y'all did, all of it tastes very good. You know, but I really like this one a lot.
That's cool.
Just because I really like
good.
crispy.
It was good.
I just don't like the tanginess. It's kind of like, eh.
It was really good.
It was good. So I'm gonna have to do this one second.
Oh, wow.
So that makes your mom the winner, me second place, Jamie third place.
Yes, I am the winner. I am the champion!
Smoked one.